In today's video, I'm going to show you a Morph Transition Substitute here in Google Slides. So yes, unfortunately, we only have limited type of transitions that we can choose from in creating our presentations here in Google Slides. And one of the more popular ones that people try and look for here in Google Slides is the Morph Transition. Now, the Morph Transition is a great transition that PowerPoint users definitely make use of in their presentations, and I think I found the best substitute for it. So if we go to slideshow right here, I'm going to show you what I've created with a transition found right here in Google Slides that will sort of make up for the lack of the Morph Transition. So let's go to slideshow. So in this example that I've created, we have our images inside or behind our text. And if I click on the next slide, you'll see it transitions into another image and it's creating that similar morph effect here in Google Slides. And there you have it. So how did I create this? Well, we used this simple transition that's called dissolve. So it's applied on both of our slides right here. I just went back and forth. So first thing would be to create our word art right here. So what I did would be to create a word art. There you have it. And behind that word art is our image. So to create this effect of having your image behind your text, you're going to be using a special font called Zilla Slab Highlight. Again, I've used a word art for this text right here. So if you want to do that, just go to Insert, select Word Art. There you have it. Put in your text. So this is the Indian flag, and I'm just going to put in the text India. If I press Enter, there you have it. Now I'm going to format this text right here into a different font style. Again, that's the Zilla Slab Highlight, which will allow me to have my image behind my text or have the illusion of having your image inside your text. So there we have it. Now I'm just going to put it in bold, resize it to fit in my entire slide. So I've already put in the image as the background, and here's my text. I'm going to resize it to fit in the entire slide. There you have it. Now I'm going to format it where my fill color would be black and my border color is not really noticeable because my fill color is already black. But let's just turn that into transparent. And there you have it. So I did the same thing with this one right here. Instead of having a black fill color, I've chosen the white one. And the last step would be to insert your transition, which would be applied to all of your slides. So to add that transition, all you have to do would be to click outside your slide, then go to the transition tool right here. And there you have it. We have our motion panel on the right. We have your slide transition. And right now, I've selected dissolve. Now, if you haven't selected anything, all you have to do is to click on this one right here, where you can select the different type of transitions that you can apply to your slides. Again, we're going to go for dissolve. And maybe we can make this a bit slower. Make it 2 seconds. If we click on play, that is what it's going to look like. So again, let's make that bigger. Go back to the first slide. Go to slideshow. If I click on my screen, there we have it. It's somewhat sort of morphing to this other image right here with still the same text. Having that text as a baseline where the transition happens is a great way to create that somewhat morph effect into our presentation. And there you have it. That's our Morph Transition Substitute, which is the dissolve transition here in Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.